transite shingles, often found in older buildings in the USA, contain between 5 to 15% asbestos. These shingles are brittle, and breaking them releases toxic asbestos fibers into the air. To safely penetrate these shingles for electrical service, consider this technique. The best approach is to cut a square or rectangular hole in the shingle that is large enough to pass the service entrance cable through. Use a utility knife to carefully cut the hole. This method minimizes dust and fiber release compared to drilling or other more aggressive techniques. Prior to detaching the cable sheath for connection to the service panel, create a slit in the cable sheath approximately 2 inches in length. This slit will be used to wrap the cable around the service panel, effectively preventing strain on the connection. After the cable is secured to the panel, use aluminum tape to thoroughly seal the cut that was made in the cable sheath. This sealing prevents moisture ingress and further protects the cable. Installation instructions for the meter socket are usually provided by the manufacturer. It's important to follow those instructions closely for proper installation and safety. After installing the meter socket, apply 100% silicone sealant around its base and around the cable entry hole in the shingle. This sealant creates a waterproof barrier, preventing water from entering the structure and also further securing the penetration. If you have any doubts or lack experience with electrical work or asbestos-containing materials, it is highly recommended to hire a licensed electrician.